Hello, welcome to Craft Like Nobody's Watching. Today I am making a country gnome guy. I have these little felt booties I made I'm going to use for his feet, and I'm just going to fill those with beans. Now these legs are made from curtain. I thrifted at one time. I liked it. It looks like a denim, but it's really thin. Next time, I'm going to just glue these legs on to the shoe before I do the seam up the leg. It might be a little easier. So I've glued the stick. These are just bamboo straws I got in a package from the dollar store. I glued the stick down into the shoe and just hold that for a minute till it's stable. And then I add more beans into the leg and then put some filling into the leg. After I put some more of the polyfill, I then glued the top of the legs to the wood straw. Now, this body is just repurposing a shirt rather. I just cut a rectangle twice as long as I want the body, and then I glued up the seam before turning it inside or right side out. Now I'm going to attach this body to the legs all the way around, making sure it's good and sealed. And then I'm going to stuff it and put an elastic in at the top, and then fold down that extra material I had. So that will be the shirt hem. I'm actually not going to put a hem on this. I'm going to cut it with my pinking shears so it won't fray, and just leave it like that. also, then the arms are just again some material glued together in a small tube, and then I added fill. I use these are pom pom. They're sort of flesh colored pom poms I used for the hands. So now the hat and the other hat and the fishing rod accessory, I'll make videos for those if I haven't already. I'll add the links in the description. I decided I wanted to give him a vest, so I just used some felt and wrapped that around and cut out for where his arms would go. And then I fold it down the front. I'll make little lapels on it. Now, after that, I did add on a button tab for the front. I just glued on some buttons and made that. Mustache, I'm going to comb that mustache out a bit, and then another pom pom, the same color to match his hands for his nose. This, I just ripped a strip of cloth because I thought his hat needed a little something, and I glued that on. And I added a little patch to his pants. Hope you like him. I had a lot of fun making him. And anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.